Hello, this is Sudhakar Moparthi. Welcome to Crowdsourced AI project. Today, I'm going to describe this JSON in terms of c1c2 diagrams for understanding whatever they are saying under this section, control access to AWS resources using tags. Okay, so they have a policy and so you have a statement. This statement has two actions that are allowed: start the instance, stop the instance. And this is used on a resource, particular EC2 instances, in this case, all EC2 instances because of the store. On what resource? Okay, so this is the resource. On this resource, these are nothing, this is nothing, this resource is nothing but all instances. Just that, basically that's the value there. And this resource is tagged with this key tag. Every tag has a key and a value. And this tag is owner equals, say, Sudhakar. Owner is the key name. And then value is Sudhakar. And this is the resource tag. Now, I can say these are only allowed, the start and stop are only allowed with this condition. On the left hand side, I have to put the tag, in this case owner, equals, that's the operator, owner equals variable that will come. When I try to access, I'm using my IAM user, and that user name will come through this variable called $AWS username. So if John is logged in, it'll come the value as John. If I log in, this value will come as Sudhakar here. So this value is dynamic. That's why it's a variable. Yeah. So then this value, Sudhakar, John, will be compared because we have tagged that condition, this tag, and there is a value. This is fixed. This one is Sudhakar. This value. Owner equals Sudhakar is what I have already tagged this particular resource. So it will look for owner equal to owner. Okay, that's good. Because this is the key we are using here. Owner key. And then it will pick up this value and then compare that with the dynamic variable coming. And then if they are equal, then it will let you start and stop. Okay. So this whole JSON is basically this diagram. So here, a lot of concepts here. Every tag has a key value, constants, done. When you create a resource, you create a EC2 machine, you say owner equals Sudhakar. Okay. And then that will restrict starting and stopping actions of those machines to only allowed to only Sudhakar. It's only allowed by Sudhakar, not John. So that's the syntax here. All right, that's all I want to say. This is how I want to just explain things and document what they are describing in English and in terms of code. So these diagrams will help us. Hope that is helpful. Good luck. And if you are interested to automate these kind of policy creations and managing all these policies, We are trying to automate all that by making these type of C1C2 diagrams and putting them into a system. That means now the machine understands this policy, and then we'll upload this JSON, and then we will create these diagrams. And now the machine has some sort of an understanding what it is trying to manage the policy. Then we will hook it up with the ChatGPT, ask questions like who can start and stop, and then give this JSON object as input, and then the output will come as, all right, Sudhakar can start and stop. So it's a conversational way to answer questions and answers. All right. Thank you very much. Have a nice day or night, depending upon where you are in the world. See you in the next video. Bye.